Hey, what is up YouTube? It is Jill with Messy Bunk Garage. So I thought I'd make a quick video for you guys. I needed to replace the squirters on my 4runner. One was missing when I bought it. This is just a quick video of that. If you find it helpful, a like would be greatly appreciated. Please leave a comment down below for more content that you'd like to see in the future with either the 4runner or either one of my Miatas, the NA or the MB. Alright, see you guys later. Right, so as you guys can see, I'm missing one of my squirters. My car was like that when I bought it. This thing was like less than $3,000, so I'm not upset about it. Anyway, this is what the OEM one looked like. It has that nice 90-degree angle. The new ones don't. They don't have that nice 90-degree angle. It just comes straight out. Anyway, somebody put a nail in this to block it off, as you can see. It's stuck in there pretty good. Who knows how long it's been there. So this is the kit that I used. Like I said, it's a Dorman. I think this thing was like $5. It was really inexpensive. Came with a couple of pieces of hose, all the fittings I would need, and a couple of gaskets for the front. So like the top there, so that it doesn't scratch the paint, which I'm not very worried about, but it does help with watertight. So from this view, you can see that's the gasket that goes over it. And then you just put it in the hole, and then there's this little nut that goes on the back, and you just thread it down tight. They do cross thread, so just be aware of that, I guess. So now I'm going to cut this nail off of here. And what I find on the inside is atrocious. At this point in time, I'm still planning on using that piece of hose, so I'm trying to make sure that my measurements are correct. This little fitting goes in here. It's a male-to-male end. They're just little barbed fittings. Super easy job. So like I said, I was still planning on using this piece of hose, so I was trying to be exact with my measurements. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of black goop in there, and I don't want to send that through my brand new nozzle, so I actually have a bunch of this extra tubing laying around because I just did this in my NA. So I'm just going to replace this because I have extra and it's really inexpensive. So I was just getting my measurements correct. Now it's just a matter of cramming that hose onto that barb and getting it past there. Same thing on this end. Time for a test. It was a scorcher that day here in sunny Florida. Don't mind my girlfriend back there cleaning out her Kia. Alright, this works pretty great. Actually, it works better than the OEM one. As you can tell, I'm really thrilled for my face. Okay, so this was the OEM one. I just decided to pull the hose off. Bunch of water fluid spilled out of there. And then getting it out of there, I just ended up using a pick and pushing down these two little wings that hold it in place. Pop. I didn't want to break it. I'm trying to keep it just in case something happens with one of these cheapos that I got from O'Reilly's. So since I only had one, I'm just trying to keep it in good condition in case I need it in the future. You could certainly just break that off of there. I'm sure that's what happened to the other one. So in comes the new one with its gasket on the outside. There's a squishy side to this, as you can see there, and that just snugs it right up against the paint. Finger tight is good. And I find out that this hose won't reach. That's fine. I still have that little piece of hose that came in the kit. So I'm just going to trim off the hard part because this hose has been here for a long time, and I'm not going to get that barbed end into that crusty old tip. So there we go. On this one I actually did it outside the car, which was way easier than doing it in the car. You just cram that on top of there. Easy peasy. So yeah, if this content was helpful to you guys, a like would be greatly appreciated. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more Miata stuff and definitely more 4runner things. Cheers, guys.